Good morning, 7th class. Today we are going to do the book work of your chapter 20, Forces of Nature. Clear? So let's start with your difficult words, beta. Now, first word is revolution. First word is revolution. 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 Clear? Second word is steam. 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 Third word is characteristics. 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 Fourth word is journey. 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 Fifth word is electricity. 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 Sixth word is dependent. 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 Seventh word is purpose. 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 Eighth word is disaster. 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 Ninth word is satellite. 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 Tenth word is enormous. 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 Next is your question answers. Who invented steam engine? Who invented steam engine? Steam engine was invented by James Watt. Steam engine was invented by James Watt. Second question is, write 3 uses of electricity. What are the 3 uses of electricity? First use is, we use electricity for irrigation purposes. We use electricity for irrigation purposes. Second is, by electricity, we launch communication satellites. By electricity, we launch communication satellites. Third one is, electricity also played a vital role in the medical field. Of course, you know that for ECG and for MRI, we use electricity. Electricity also played a vital role in medical fields. Third question is, children, where dams are built? Dams are built on the river for irrigation purpose and also for generating electricity. Dams are built on the river for irrigation purposes and for generating electricity. Next question is, write down the names of 4 natural disasters. Name the 4 natural disasters. The name of 4 natural disasters such as floods, earthquake, drought, landslide, cyclone, etc. Clear? So, this is your question answer and D words. Clear, children? I hope you understood. Thank you.